Let's know the chief minister name all of Indian state. So the first one is Andhra Pradesh. The name of chief minister is N. Chandrababu Naidu. He has the Telugu Desam Party. Second, Arunachal Pradesh. Pema Khandu. He belongs from Bharatiya Janata Party. Assam, Hemant Biswa Sharma. He also belongs from the same party, Bharatiya Janata Party. Bihar. So Bihar has Nitish Kumar and he has the party of Janata Dal United. Chhattisgarh has the Vishnu Desai, Delhi, Rekha Gupta, Goa, Pramod Sawant, Gujarat, Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Haryana, Naib Singh Sahni, and these are the chief ministers belong from Bharatiya Janata Party. Next is Himachal Pradesh, Sukhbinder Singh Sukhu, and he belongs from Indian National Congress. Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, he belongs from Jammu and Kashmir National Conference. Next, Jharkhand, Hemant Soren, he belongs from Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Next, Karnataka. So, Karnataka has Sidra Maya as a chief minister and he belongs from Indian National Congress. Kerala, Pinaraji Vijayan and he belongs from Communist Party of India. Madhya Pradesh, Mohan Yadav and Maharashtra, Devendra Fadnavis. Manipur, there is no any chief minister. Currently, it's ruled by president. So these states has the Bharatiya Janata Party ruling. Next one, Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma. He belongs from National People's Party. Mizoram, Laldu Homa. He belongs from Joram People's Movement. Nagaland, Neiphiu Rio, and he belongs from Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party. Odisha, Mohan Charan Majhi, Bharatiya Janata Party. Puducherry, N. Rangaswamy, All India NR Congress. Punjab, Bhagwant Mann, Aam Aadmi Party. Rajasthan, Bhaijan Lal Sharma or Bhajan Lal Sharma, Bharatiya Janata Party. Sikkim, Prem Singh Tamang, Sikkim Krantikari Morcha. Tamil Nadu, M.K. Stalin. Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, he belongs from this party. Telangana, Unumula Revanth Reddy, Indian National Congress. Tripura, Manik Shaha, he belongs from Bharatiya Janata Party. Uttarakhand, Pushkar Singh Dhami, he also belongs from Bharatiya Janata Party. Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, he too belongs from the same party. And the last one is West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, Trinamool Congress. And that's all about this video.